Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Node.js TypeScript and the TypeORM. Basically, we are going to learn the TypeORM in this series. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So the introduction to the Node.js TypeScript and the TypeORM. Node.js TypeScript TypeORM are commonly used in the modern web applications, correct? Especially when building up backend services that are scalable, maintainable, and the robust. Here are the few some of the introduction to each. So what exactly the Node.js? Node.js is a runtime environment that allows JavaScript to be run server side outside of the browser, built on the Chrome's V8 JavaScript engine. Node.js is lightweight, efficient, primarily using an event-driven, non-blocking I/O model that's ideal for the building the scalable real-time applications. Here are some key points. Asynchronous I/O means Node.js uses non-blocking input-output operations, making it well suited for handling the large number of simultaneously connections. Right? Event-driven architecture means that they have the based on the events and the callbacks. So the architecture of the Node.js is based on the events and the callbacks, which helps handle multiple connections smoothly without locking the main thread. Single thread. Node.js operates on a single thread but can manage concurrent requests thanks to its asynchronous nature and the event loop. Uses JavaScript. Developers familiar with the JavaScript can quickly pick up the Node.js, making it easier to build full stack applications where the same language can be used for both client side and the server code. So common use cases building the why we are using the Node.js for making the REST APIs, real-time chat applications, streaming, and server-side web applications. Now we have come with a TypeScript. So the TypeScript is statically typed superset of JavaScript developed by the Microsoft. It provides optional static typing. In short, we can say about the you can see the type checking is there. Like if I define let's suppose users table. Okay, so I'm defining the name, age, email, phone number, and I need to define like name should be string, phone number should be this like phone number integer, right? Email should be have unique validation. So this kind of checking that this type checking is done via TypeScript. Okay, so static typing TypeScript allows developers to define the type of the variables, okay, function parameters and return values, catching the type error at the compile time instead of runtime. First, improve code maintainability by adding the type definitions. So TypeScript improve your code readability and helps to avoid common errors. Sometimes typecasting issue or something, it will avoid that one. Okay, object oriented features. TypeScript support classes, interfaces, inheritance, which can be beneficial when building the complex applications. Compatibility with the JavaScript. Since the TypeScript compiles to a plain JavaScript, it is fully compatible with the JavaScript libraries and the frameworks. Common use cases: building a large JavaScript applications, both front end and the back end, specifically in the environments where strong typing and the better tooling support are essential. The next one, the important, that is TypeORM. So it's an object relational mapping ORM library for the TypeScript and the JavaScript Node.js that enables interaction with the databases in a more abstracted object-oriented manner. TypeORM simplifies database operations, making it easier to work with the data in a relational databases like PostgreSQL, MySQL, and the SQLite. Okay, so they have the entities and the migration. So TypeORM allows defining the entities representation of the tables in the databases. So you have to create the entities, and on the behalf of it, it will create the table, generating the database migrations, which help to versioning the controlling the database schema. So you can also generate the migrations and run it, and automatically database tables would be created. Repository and the query builder. It provides the repository pattern powerful for the query builders, allowing developers to query the database with TypeScript, JavaScript without writing the raw SQL. So it avoids to use the raw SQL queries. So that is why we are using that one. Okay. Support multiple databases. So TypeORM can work with a range of relational databases, offering flexibility in the database selection. So you can it support multiple you can go with the MySQL, Postgres, and the SQLite. Okay, integration with the TypeScript. So TypeORM leverages the TypeScript decorators and the metadata to define the entities and the relationships, make it easy to understand to work with. So basically, they have the much more integration with the TypeScript, so you can use it very easily when you have a TypeScript project. Okay, common use cases: managing the data models and the data schemas in the Node.js application that requires relational databases. How they work, let's see. Together, Node.js TypeScript and the TypeORM create a powerful stack for building the robust, maintainable backend services. Node.js provides a runtime environment. TypeScript enhances the JavaScript, the static typing, which improves the code readability. And the TypeORM is a straightforward way to interact with the databases. Okay, so enabling developers to work with the data as objects. So this combination is widely used for developing the scalable APIs and backend services, specifically in the environments where maintainability and the robustness are critical. Okay, so Node.js is very important. You should know about that one. And after that, we have a TypeScript, right? So a little bit knowledge of that you require, and the TypeORM where we are connecting with the databases and getting the queries. So we are using the queries in that, like how to create that one, update, delete, everything, relational relations also. So this is very important, and if you are using the any kind of ORM in your project. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share, and comment on my video. Have a nice day.